Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Identify your mic type and plug it in. If you use a headset, insert into the controller jack. If USB, use the console port. Once done, power on the Xbox and check for a device prompt. Make sure to update the console if it asks. Updates often include audio fixes. You want a stable connection before configuring audio levels, so wiggle test the plug and confirm the controller recognizes the accessory. You now configure the console audio. Open Settings and go to Devices and Connections. Select your headset or mic, then adjust mic monitoring so you can hear yourself and set chat/game balance with the mixer slider. Make sure the input is selected correctly and test with the built-in mic test or a party chat. If you need clearer voice pickup, increase mic boost or decrease in-game volume. Once configured, save settings and perform a quick call. You finish by validating performance in a real scenario. Join a party or game and ask others to confirm audio. If voice is muffled, check mute toggles and chat privacy. Make sure the controller firmware is updated. For persistent issues, swap cables or test the mic on another device to isolate hardware faults. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, remove the accessory, power cycle the Xbox, then reattach. This often resets recognition and resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.